Hello, this is Brian Ryle with assignment number 5 of the graphics class. So the first question was to create a skybox. Right here you can see my skybox without any seams along the edges. So since I know the skybox is a cube inside the skybox class, I have 24 vertices with 12 triangles. And in order to properly get the 1/3 and 2/3 along the V for the texture map, I use these two constant floats right here for 1/3 and 2/3. I properly insert the U and the V into these into the forward, back, left, and right sides of the faces, but I inverse the windings so that each face faces towards the inner center of the box. That way the skybox can be seen from all sides. That will in turn pass all the information to the model class, and when asked for render, it will trigger the model's render with the context being input. I also ensure that my new model is deleted. Moving on to the second question, which was the height map. Right here you can see the height map with the texture with the repeated UV of 10 and 10. So there's 10 and 10 along the U and the V, and the bumps you can see on the screen. Going into the class for this, on top of what was given to us, we know that the number of verts, since under this case it's always a perfect square, we take the side, multiply it by the side, and that gives us the number of vertices. The number of triangles is side minus 1 times side minus 1 times 2. That would be the number of triangles, and to get all the accurate information for the points, we use this first for loop, where we get the x position, we get the y position, we get the y position from the information that was given to us divided by 255, and that will give us the y position, z, and then the u and the v, which also takes into consideration the repeated u and repeated v that are inputted by the user. This second for loop basically creates the top triangle and the bottom triangle for every square on the grid, and that information is in turn passed along through, again, into the model, and then the model, when called for render, will trigger the model's render, and I also ensure that at the very end that is deleted. That covers this week's assignment. Thank you very much.